Okay, in previous video we have talked about a very important concept, which was like the text editor. And I told you that I would talk about a very important concept. Like we have seen here two kind of users. One is the super user and the other is like active user. So now you have seen here like the author can be selected by, well, a normal user or an active user, and the status also can be selected, either draft or published, and as well as by super user. So both of them have command over this section. But now I want to restrict. I want to see if the user is super user, so it should not show something like that. So if the user is not super user or something like active user, so it should not show this part. Okay, so if the user is super user, it will show everything. The super user can select, well, the author and the draft or status. Actually, let's see, we had a view here, and in this view, well, we have the template, form class, and everything. We have a form here as well. Okay, in the form we had something like class meta, we have the fields, we have the widgets and everything. So from this part we want to have, or we want to, well, restrict this part. Okay, so, but before that we have to pass some kind of user for this. Let's see, I want to have a function like get form, well, keywords, arguments. Well, I pass the self, and the keyword arguments will be, well, super. Let's get this, and the keyword arguments will get the user. So actually it means we have talked about this in class-based view as well. We had here like in block, we have talked about this here, like we got this part, context data. So, well, this is the same as this. So we have talked about this concept of keyword argument here. So we take the user, and the user will be, well, the same thing. Okay, in this view we have completed. Now in the form we want to have something here, like we want to get this init function. Also we have talked about this in, well, in Python course. The user will be taken from there, the keyword arguments dot pop. I want to pop this and the user and none. Let's have the super. I want to have the super dot init and the arguments and also the keyword arguments. And I want to run a condition if user and not user dot as super user self dot fields, well, should be popped as the author and also none. Well, this should be none. I want to copy and, well, paste this part, status, well, the status, and both of them should be none. Well, this is very, very nice. Let's see, here we have the template here, like well, specifically in create and all that, and I want to have a condition here as well. If user dot as super user, well, if user is super user, then show this. If not, well, ignore. Okay, let's see this. Well, this terminal and refresh. This is super user. This is the admin which can see everything. Like the author can be selected by this, and the status can be selected by this. Let's see as an active user. When I refresh, you have seen all this here. When I refresh, those things must be gone. We cannot see all those. Let's publish some article with this. Well, the normal user. Well, first article after this test. First article after the test. First article. We can select some sort of, well, categories, and I want to have this. I press the submit button. Okay, it is submitted, but we cannot see anything here. Okay, I want to refresh here. We cannot see that article, this first article. Let's see the dashboard of admin. When I refresh this, well, let's see the article list. In the article list, you can see first article after this test. Why? So why it is like this? Why it's shown here? So the status is also draft. It is because everything is in default. Like in default, we have seen the super user or the admin. In default, this is the draft. So in the next video, we will talk about this. So if this is a normal user or an active user, if this article is published or submitted by this active user, so take this active user as author, and the status will be draft, doesn't matter. So in the next video we will restrict that, and we will talk about that how we can do this very, very easily.